Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be comparing Brave versus the Arc browser. So if you don't know what these two are, Brave is a privacy-focused browser with built-in ad blocking and crypto rewards. And Arc, on the other hand, is a modern, design-first browser aimed at boosting productivity with features like split view, sidebar tabs, and spaces. Now let's go over their pros and cons, starting with Brave here. So Brave's pros is that it has strong privacy protection by default. It blocks ads and trackers out of the box, and you can earn BAT tokens for viewing ads. Now the cons of Brave is that crypto features may not appeal to everyone, interface is similar to Chrome and not innovative, and the occasional compatibility issues with some sites. So you cannot open some sites with Brave browsers since they are not compatible. Now let's head on over to Arc here. So the pros of Arc is that it is unique and has a minimalist UI focused on workflow, and the tab management and multi-view tools are powerful, and it encourages organization with spaces and notes. Now the cons of Arc is that it is only available on Mac as of now, and the learning curve for traditional browser users is a bit steep, and it has no built-in ad blocking like Brave, and it relies solely on extensions for ad blocking. So which one is right for you? So you should choose Brave browser if you value privacy, ad blocking, and crypto rewards in a similar interface, and use Arc if you want a fresh productivity-centered browsing experience and are open to a new workflow. So that is it. That is the difference between Brave and Arc browser. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.